Alrighty. I didn't do a video yesterday, day 6. I think today is day 7 now. Dingo is here with me. I show you my puppers. We decided to come down here and take a look at the truck. The manager dude said I could come down and make a quick video of it. And about makes you cry when you see this. My poor truck. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, here we go. Y'all ready? Bam. Oh, wait. There's the cab. they took the cab off. How about that? There's the let's not get under anything. Come over here. Look at this. They got everything torn apart. You mechanic and dudes might like this view here. I don't know, but I think that's the condenser. But yeah, my truck is apart. That's pretty cool. I am recording, so yeah. Okay. But is this basically where it's failing? Is around here?
It's going to be underneath this. This is the head right here. This portion with the track tracks in it. All this still has to come out.
Okay.
What's underneath this part or this part is the problem.
Okay. Okay.
We don't know which one yet. We got to get it apart.
I know nothing about any of this stuff. I'm just like, you mechanics might like this. It's but kind of heartbreaking to see your truck in pieces. But yeah, this is where we are. We're getting her done. But thank you very much. Stay. How long do you think it'll be before the inspector gets out here to take a look at any of this?
Still got to get a little more torn apart. The front cover still got to come off all the timing, so there's still a few more hours to get those heads off.
Okay.
It's going to be sometime next week. I don't think they're even open on Saturday to call.
Yeah, no problem.
It'll be Monday before they even know.
But I figured 4 days before you all even got it in
We're a little
here.
ahead of schedule.
And you're a little ahead of schedule. Last night I went to look at the truck and I'm like, truck's gone. Wait a minute. And then I kind of looked in right here and I'm like, I think that's it. So, well, cool. We're getting it there. Okay. So thank you very much. We'll talk to you soon.
Yep.
That's Parker. He's a good guy. I like Parker. He was very, very helpful and has been very generous and appreciative of his work and all. So Parker and Dad blast it. He's gonna watch this video and I'm gonna forget his name. I want to say Jason. Somebody. He's the head man here, but he's been real helpful too. After we got through the BS of stuff, things got a little bit better. So the shop's right there. That's where I just came from, and my camper's right there. I've learned to put my generators down here to make it a little quieter for the neighbors, because they're just right over there, and I just like to be polite to my neighbors. But yeah, y'all heard it from the man. We're ahead of schedule. Probably Monday or Tuesday they'll have the rest of it torn apart. We get the inspector out here to take a look at it, and don't know where we go from there, but that's where we is. And hopefully I guess that's where we're gonna be at, is when the inspector comes, they'll decide if it's under their warranty, which it is. Really would hate to go to court for all of that, but do what you got to, I guess. But yeah, that's where we are. Parker was pretty helpful there, and I guess we'll get back to you tomorrow. But nothing will be happening over the weekend. Like you said, everybody's pretty much closed, and so I guess that's all we got today. So God love. Pray for your veterans and military, and tell them thank you for your time. Also remember, never give up. There ain't anything you can't do. Put your mind to it, get her done. We're getting her done. We're here. But, alright, peace out. God love.